Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Comcast. Comcast is an American telecommunication conglomerate headquartered in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. In order to log into Comcast, go and click Open any web browser. Soon after you do that, go ahead and type in comcast.com and press the enter on your keyboard. This will take you to xfinity.com automatically. Now click on the sign in button at the upper right corner in order to log in. In the first text field, enter your email address, your mobile number, or your username associated with Comcast. Now move on to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to enter the correct password while logging into your account, and if you'd like to double check your password to make sure you've typed in the password correct, click on this eye icon at the right corner so that you can reveal the password. And after you're done, if you'd like to stay signed into the system, click on this box that says stay signed in so that you won't have to log in again and again. In case you've forgotten your Xfinity ID, click on Forgot Xfinity ID link right here and look up for your Xfinity ID by following the instructions. Similarly, in case you've forgotten your password and don't remember it at the moment, you can click on the password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, click on create one and follow the instructions to register first. Once you have all the credentials needed in the text boxes, click on sign in and you'll be logged into Comcast or Xfinity.com. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.